Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a bald eagle with an American flag. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our 4th of July eagle, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a little line. It's just going to go up like this. Next, let's go ahead and make a circle right around here for the actual eye. Let's make a circle with a little indent in there for the pupil. And we'll go ahead and color in the pupil, leaving that a little bit white for like some nice little reflections. I like to add a couple of little lines kind of right around the eye for just a tiny bit of detail. Now over here, I'm going to bring this line up and then come back in for a point. Then I'm going to do the same thing right here, and we're just going to kind of come down like this. I'm going to bring this line out and down here. Then I'm going to bring this line back to here for the mouth. Let's kind of curve this line, and we're going to bring this around and then back to here. For the bottom of the beak, let's bring this line back and then kind of up here. Let's make a couple little curved lines like this. Then let's just make some different size little zigzag lines all the way over to here. Let's make some long kind of pointed little lines right across here for some more feathers. I'm going to color in a little oval for the nose, and then we'll bring a little line down here. I'm also going to add some little lines right in here for some detail. I like to add some extra kind of little lines around some different spots to give our eagle a little bit of texture. And even like a little line on the beak. Now back here, let's make a little flag. So let's draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and then down. And then let's put a circle on top. I'm going to curve a line to here, and then I want to bring it down towards the eagle. Then I'm going to make this curvy line out to here. We're going to bring this down at an angle, and then we're just going to curve it back here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it right to here. Then we're just going to kind of follow that curve again. We're not going to put all the stripes on here, but we're going to at least add a few of them. So we'll make some more little curved lines right across here. And we'll just kind of follow this curve right here. Now let's add some stars around here, just kind of fill up the space. Let's begin by making a triangle. 2 lines out, 2 lines in, and 2 points. Let's do another one over here. We'll make a triangle, 2 lines out, we'll come in, and then 2 points. We'll make another little triangle shape going out and in, and then 2 points. Then I want to make a couple small ones. We'll make a little small star here, and then we'll put a little small star right over here. So we can have a little odd number. And there you go. There is your drawing of a bald eagle and American flag for the 4th of July. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.